Since everyone wants to live in California, this is the gas prices. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in LA right now. I live in San Diego, which is like 2 hours away from LA, and I drove down here for an event, and my friend Geishi lives here, so me and her are going to hang out. I'm so excited. I haven't seen her in like 2 months, I think, or like a month and a half, 2 months, a long time. So I'm about to go head to her house and we're gonna hang out, and I'm super excited because I literally haven't seen this bitch in forever. So excited. We're gonna go eat. I'm going to take you guys along with us. So if you guys want to come along with us and see what we do, because we're probably gonna do something crazy, then just keep watching. Get out the car! I miss you! Oh, oh my gosh, I miss you so much. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi YouTube channel. I'm back. No, I'm kidding.
Back like she never left, even though she did leave. That's why we're in the streets of Los Angeles.
Yeah.
Welcome. This is what California is. A palm tree.
Pretty much, yeah, a palm tree. A palm tree in a dirty ass street. First of all, and honking.
Shit's wild, and we're going to, it's a surprise. It's a surprise.
I have to slam it a little bit.
It's a surprise, even though you guys are gonna find out in 20 seconds. Okay. Wow, it is actually dark as hell. I will see you guys when I have more light. I'm so happy. You guys don't understand how much I freaking miss Geishi Sade Lewis. We're going to the Grove. It's the popular mall out.
It really is.
In LA.
Saw Zendaya there.
We're gonna be a LA vlogger for a day.
God, I wish we had sunlight.
I know. Sun. We have car light. That's it.
That has to go
but
out, though.
I know. We don't even have that. Now it's dark. Okay, well I'll see you guys when we get there. Okay, we just got to the Grove.
Is it for $4 for 1 hour and a half? $1 for each 30 minutes.
What? That's ridiculous. They really charge for parking at this mall. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna compare everything to San Diego because obviously that's where I live. So I'm like, wow, they don't do that in San Diego.
They charge for all kinds of parking.
Okay, so let me know in other places around the world, wherever you're watching this from, do they charge for parking at the mall? Let me know, because I'm very curious.
Okay,
but
how high do I need to go up to find this?
yeah, I'm getting car sick. Literally. Oh my god, I feel nauseous.
There it is, cheesecake. I'm so excited.
Why you gotta fight with me at cheesecake?
I fucking eat.
Dude, tell me why I was like craving Cheesecake Factory today. That's so crazy. This is LA. I feel like people, when they think of LA, so yeah, she's getting all sentimental because her ex-boyfriend took her.
My first date was there, Cheesecake Factory.
And now this date is here with me.
It's gonna be better, so good fun.
It's a joke. Take a joke, it's a joke. We love our exes, right? All of our exes are great people. If this is what it took to go to the mall in San Diego, I would never be at the mall. Like ever. This sucks.
We're gonna have to pay. I'm gonna have to pay.
And I don't even know where we are, so if I would get lost. Honestly, like, this is too big. This is too much. Look at this chandelier. Where am I? This looks like downtown Disney. This is a mall? Okay. I really need to figure out. I was gonna say, let's go to the Apple store so they can tell me how to put my brightness up on this. I don't think that's how it works. Too bad I can't do that. Not yet. I can do it. I'll learn. I could do that. This is like very comparable to Lulu. These are cute. What? To Lululemon.
Oh wow.
56. I would never, I know, seriously. I would never ever get white. What? You start your period in those, it's a wrap.
I know.
Damn. She's expensive. Look at the lights. I'm like, wow, look at all the lights. People feel like she's bored.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
There's a whole train.
There's a whole train, not like a choo-choo one. It has tracks.
Not like the little ones you see like in the stores, like in
Plaza Bonita.
you have like
whoa. That is wild. Sarah, look at this Nike store. What? We're really on a tour.
this is the last tour for a mall.
You guys, what? They said, there you go. I had to put lighting on Yeshi. We're eating bread. So bomb. What did you get? A burger? You don't get cheese on your burgers?
It's unnecessary.
What? It's 100% necessary. I won't eat a burger if there's no cheese on it. No. We got our food. Fire. I told them that it was Yeshi's birthday. I just showed them the video of her face. Oh my god. Since everyone wants to live in California, this is the gas prices. Yeshi, before I get copyright, Yeshi is on my Bumble, trying to find me a husband. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with these men? I can't deal. Okay guys, well I'm gonna end the video right here because we're about to go into, is it a gay bar?
It's a gay bar.
Yeah, I love gay bars. I don't get hit on.
Right. It's a very intense gay bar.
Like, not to be like, oh my god, like I don't want to get hit on, but it's just like annoying sometimes. Okay, that sounds really cocky. I'm gonna edit that part out. So, I hate when guys talk to me because I'm so popular. That's how it sounded in my head. I don't mean it like that. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.
Oh fuck.
Subscribe for more videos.